for question letter B natin, letter B, that is f over h of x. Again, equivalent lang to sa f of x over h of x. Again, dinistribute lang natin yung x, no? So, divide lang natin yung f of x tsaka h of x. So, f of x natin is x squared minus 4. H of x natin, that is x squared plus 3x minus 10. Okay. Again, factoring tayo. So, pag binigyan kayo ng ganitong problem, no, most likely siya, meron silang common factor niyan. So, ifa-factor mo siya. Ito, na-factor na natin siya kanina, no? Difference of two squares. Again, pag nagpa-factor tayo ng difference of two squares, square root ng first term, that is x, plus minus square root ng second term, that is square root ng 4 is 2. Okay, ginawa na natin ito kanina. Now ito, factoring general trinomials naman to. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin, hanapin lang natin yung factors ng negative 10, kung saan yung sum niya is 3. So, ilista lang natin yung mga factors ng negative 10. That is negative 10 times 1, 10 times negative 1, negative 5 times 2, 5 times negative 2. So, saan dito yung may sum na positive 3? So, ito. 5 minus 2 is 3. So, ito yung kailangan natin. So, ang factor niya is, okay, naalala niyo, factoring general trinomials, x, positive 5, and x minus 2 kasi negative to siya. Okay? Then, cancel natin yung mga equal terms dyan. X minus 2, cancel na. So, matitira is x plus 2 na lang sa numerator, and then, sa denominator, x plus 5. So, therefore, f over h of x equals x plus 2 over x minus 5.